Dear friends, If is a beautiful poem written by Joseph Rudyard Kipling. If is a didactic poem. It is in the form of an advice. Here the father is talking to his son. Teaches a good lesson for life. A father is speaking to his son, advising what to do and what not to do in human life. The poem is praising the glory of good actions. The poem is praising the glory of truth, patience, and tolerance. The poem deals with good choices that people have to make in life. The poem is highlighting the right attitude of life. The poem is giving a great message for perfect life. If we can learn to be humble in all walks of life, we can inherit the earth and become a perfect man. The golden way to a perfect man is the message of this particular poem. Importance of patience in life. Kipling's poem If speaks about value of patience in life. Patience is essential for success in life. Without patience, we can achieve nothing in our life. Patience is an integral component of emotional intelligence. It is essential for reducing the stress and strain of modern life. It is essential for reducing the stress and the strain of modern life. Poet's approach to dreams and longings. Dreams are good, but not make dreams as your master. Longings are also good, but never take dirty ways to achieve it. Choose the right way to attain your goal is the message of these lines. Don't make dreams as your master. That is the message. Never breathe a word about your loss. Explain. It is a great message for success in life. Never seek sympathy from others. Face the challenges with self-confidence. Never share your secrets with others. Acquire courage and develop your abilities to deal with the difficulties in life. Never breathe a word about your loss. It is a great message for success in life. Never seek sympathy from others. Face the challenges with self-confidence. Never share your secrets with others. Acquire courage and develop your abilities to deal with difficulties in life. It is Kipling's most famous poem. What is the theme of this poem? The major qualities of a perfect man is the theme of this poem. How to attain the status of a noble man? Who is the speaker of this poem? A father is the speaker and a son is the listener. Other important tips are: knaves represents dishonest people. What are the two impostors in life? That is time and disaster. What is the meaning of sinew? Something that gives strength and support. Identify the major poetic devices in If. The first one is personification. Not make dreams your master. Second one is metaphor, that is unforgiving minutes. Then anaphora, if you can. Do you know what is anaphora? Lines begin with the same words, that is if, etc. Symbol, knaves, crowds, kings. Hyperbole, yours is the earth and everything that is in it. These are the important poetic devices in If. Other important metaphoric expressions are unforgiving minutes, twisted by knaves, worn out tools. Another important personification, not make dreams your master, will saying hold on, triumph and disaster as impostors. The main points of this poem: trust yourself, be patient, be honest, never hate others, never talk too wise, never speak about loss, never seek sympathy from others, be with self-control, be with true sense of values. These are the important points in this particular poem. This poem is really a golden way to attain the status of a noble man. The main traits of a great personality is beautifully picturized in this beautiful poem, If. In this poem, Kipling is really portraying the qualities of an ideal person. Can you list out the major qualities of an ideal person? An ideal person always possesses the values like honesty, dedication, sincerity, and self confidence, always with optimism and positive thinking, always with compassion and humanity towards others. An ideal person is a great champion of moral values with a great physical and mental health. Consider the true sense of things, always with emotional stability. So, these are the major qualities of an ideal person. Dear friends, thank you. Have a nice day.